Hi there, my name is Paul Schaefer, and I'd like to welcome you to the Binary Option Club website, or BOC for short. This is the only place where you can follow real strategies and use them to your benefit to make real, solid profits. Wouldn't it be great if you could look over the shoulder of a professional trader and copy exactly what they're doing? Well, not only can you do that here with BOC, but you can also choose from 6 different pro traders at any given time of the day. If you are looking for some super-powered get-rich-quick software that claims it will make you a millionaire overnight, not only is this not the place for you, it's probably a good idea for you to watch this video. If you'll give me just a few minutes, I'm going to tell you about the unique services that we offer here, 100% free of charge. And I'm going to explain to you exactly why we are so positive that we have the best solution for full or part-time traders today. Now, to begin with, let me take you through a very quick explanation of exactly what binary options are. You might have noticed that we have a bit of a library here on the website, so here's an excerpt directly from one of our articles by Ed. Binary options are basically the simplest way to trade price fluctuations in any market, which is essentially what all trading is really about: buy low, sell high. Now, you can find the full article, What is Binary Options, right here on our website, right along the side of other great articles like this. Many people fail to understand that in order to trade profitably, it's crucial for the trader to know what's about to happen based on live and past events. Political events, nature's fury, wars, terror, economic changes, companies closing down their gates, big companies buying each other, and more. I am sure that you understand that only human beings can trade based upon these events. Not a single piece of software in the world can do that. No robot or algorithm is capable of trading better than a well-educated professional. That being said, I want to mention that we have 6 professional traders on our skilled staff. Once you join and become one of our members, you too will be able to copy their trades live. They generally make between $300 and $500 each per 8-hour session. Today, I'm going to give you the opportunity to copy their success, but I'll get to that soon and in more detail. So, for quite some time now, people have been trading successfully online, and if you've ever traded before, then you'll know that what initially began as a pure manual trading quickly evolved into hundreds and hundreds of people selling automated and mechanical systems to traders. If you so happen to have used or been offered an automated service, you notice the only people who got rich out of these systems were the people selling them. Let's face facts here. If any of these robots really worked, then every second person you ran into would already be a millionaire. They just don't work, period. People have been trying for years to make money on autopilot, but it's just not going to happen. Let me explain why. In trading, we have things called technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Again, we have a complete article right here on our website that explains exactly what these are. These are schools of thought that someone would use to analyze the charts to see where to take profitable trades. It's a level of understanding and comprehension that, at this point in time, can only ever be accomplished by a human being. The only way to know how and why is by keeping abreast of the news, monitoring the charts, and understanding the economical climate all at the same time, and then being able to decipher that information into a winning trade. In any case, these are not virtues that you'd associate with a computer. The reason why is very, very simple. When a robot is programmed, no matter how thorough the programmers are in their selection of the patterns to use, the parameters of casualty, the risk versus reward, everything, there's one very important thing about robots that are impossible to change. That is, that a robot can only ever be programmed for what happened yesterday. Yes, certainly a mighty flaw, wouldn't you say? There is absolutely no way for a computer to know what to do when it is faced with a set of circumstances which it has never encountered before. I have heard so many horror stories about people who bought robots and ended up losing thousands and thousands of dollars. It's just uncanny. But that brings me to why we started the Binary Option Club in the first place. As always, there's an article on the website about this too. You can read about how we started in the About Us section of the website. Basically, we're a bunch of guys that met online and spoke as a group on Skype whilst we traded. We competed against each other with our strategies and shared our ideas, sort of like a little traders club. Of course, things evolved over time, as you'll see in the About Us section. But the point is, after I asked the most profitable trader to trade my account for me, and once he made a profit, he was then asked to do the same by some of the other traders as well. It got to the point where someone was asking someone else to trade for them every week, and it was just getting to be too much. One of the traders in our group, who happened to be a programmer, came up with a really great idea. Now, this is not the first time someone has come up with this idea, but we believe that ours is by far the best. It's called a trade replicator. It's the greatest trading tool that has ever been created, and I would really love to show you how it works and how simple it is to profit from it. So please, simply enter your full information in the form you see on this page, and you will be forwarded to our full software demonstration, which I'm sure will change the way you trade online in the future. Look forward to welcoming you to our club.